Growing up, especially my teen years, I had certain ailments that will come sometimes every month. And this was until I got born again. When I got born again and I studied the scriptures, I found out that I was not supposed to live by drugs. I was not supposed to subject my body by solutions of men. I started studying the Word of God to discover what God has given to me. And one of the things that I found out was that the Word of God is medicine. And the difference is this: the Word is far more efficacious than any drug. I want you to study today's Rhapsody realities and understand how you can live above sickness, above disease and death. And as you're doing that, help me sponsor Rhapsody realities. Help me let someone else know about this. Use the link below and sponsor today. Have a great day. God bless you. Love you.